dear students, today is very important topic of organic reactions. So this is the important for Neet or JEE also in advance. So this reaction's name is aldol condensation reactions. So what is aldol condensation reactions? Basically, those carbonyl compounds which contains alcohol as well as aldehydes or ketone. So such or carbonyl compound is known as aldol. So what is aldol condensation reactions? So according to these reactions, alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compound is treated in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or dilute potassium hydroxide to form beta hydroxy beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Is called aldol condensation reaction. So according to the definitions, those functional group, the nearest most carbon atom is called alpha carbon, or these are hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. So alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compounds react with the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in the nature of basic medium. So basic medium means dilute NOH or dilute KOH, basic medium to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. So this reactions is known as aldol reactions. Further, the reactions, some heat is provided their intermediate products. After that, enol form is formed. Enol form means double bond. After that, aldehyde or ketone is formed. So such reactions is commonly known as aldol condensation reactions. So basic thing, example of these reactions. Acid aldehyde react with dilute sodium hydroxide So here is the reagent used for these reactions. So name of this reagent. So name of this reagent is during the aldol condensation. So basically use dilute sodium hydroxide or dilute potassium hydroxide, or first of us thing, dilute basic medium is required for this reaction to proceed. So dilute sodium hydroxide, dilute potassium hydroxide, dilute barium hydroxide, or sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate. These are the reagent used for these reactions. So sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate also use these reactions. So how can reactions is proceed? So these are the important reagent. All of these things. What is the nature of this basic medium? So these dilute NOH are called, this is called alkaline base. So medium is alkalinic base medium required here. So what is the mechanism of these reactions? Sodium hydroxide sodium plus and OH minus. So according to this, step 1, CH2 CHO dilute sodium hydroxide. So OH minus, this is called, this is the functional group of aldehyde. So this first carbon atoms, those carbon atom attached with the functional group is directly called as alpha carbon. So this is called alpha carbon. All the hydrogens attached in the alpha carbons is called alpha hydrogens. So this is called alpha hydrogen. So this is called alpha hydrogens. So those compounds which containing alpha hydrogens, they are under the process in aldol condensation. So these alpha hydrogens is known as most acidic in nature. So this is called most acidic. This hydrogen is most acidic in nature. After that, this OH group minus attached with this, after removal of water molecule, this bond, this bond cleavage. After that, this carbon atom convert into negatively charged. So CH2 negative CHO. After the reactions, so this is called acts as a nucleophile. Here is the reactions is called nucleophilic addition reaction. So this is called nucleophile. So nucleophile group of atoms required to positive center on carbon atoms. So these are the having lone pair. After that, we can write here. So this is called partial positive. So this carbon is known as electrophile. This carbon is known as electrophile. So this negatively charged particle species attract towards the positive charge carbon atoms. So here is the step number 2. So this negative charge particle, this negative charge atom attract towards the electrophile means positive center of carbon atoms. After that, we can write here CH2, CH2. This is this carbon atom C O negative. Here is one hydrogen CH, then one methyl group CH3. So this is called second step. This step is known as rate determining step. So this step is known as rate determining step. So how can write this? CHO, CH2 after the cleavage of pi bond, oxygen converted into negative charge. So this carbon and this carbon attached with them, and this methyl group is attached with this carbon atoms, and oxygen converted into negatively charged. After that, after that, hydrolysis means H plus ion attached with the negative charge on oxygen atom, then converted into CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CHO. So this is called aldehyde. This is called alcohol and this is called aldehyde. So this is called alpha. This carbon is called beta. So we can write beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, and we can simply write and written like that. Here is the alcohol, here is the aldehyde. So aldehyde, al, an alcohol all, so this is called aldol. This is known as aldol. So this is the reaction mechanism during the aldol condensation. After that, one important thing here, condensation. Condensation means heat is heat involved these reactions after the removal of water molecule. So here is the removal of water molecule. This compound, this beta hydroxycarbonyl compounds converted into enol form. So how can we convert enol form? So here is the OH group. We can write this two hydrogen. We can write like that, one hydrogen and one hydrogen with attached of carbon. So removal of water molecule. So this removal of water molecule OH, OH and H. After removal of water molecule means H2O. The final product will be CH3. After crossing of one bond, this single bond is converted into double bond. CH and CHO. So this